In this brief video, we will look at how to assess an uncertainty. Since this is still a demo model, we just have one uncertainty here, but this tab will basically contain the list of uncertainties that you need to assess. Since it is sometimes quite hard for us to think of probabilities, it is much easier for us to face a visual deal. So that's what this tab helps you to do. So I click on success of intervention. This is about assessing what is the chance of success of the intervention. In this case, to be specific, we're looking at an alcohol education program at Stanford University is trying to assess what is the chance of success. And chance of success is defined as the chance that the distribution of injuries shifts by a certain amount, which is specified in this tab, the model tab. So here you can see that the minor injury distribution given success is 100 for high, 56 for medium, and 37 for low. And if the intervention is not a success, then these numbers jump up to 115, 63, and 45. Similarly, the major injury also jumps up. In fact, it gets worse if you fail. So we'll see major injuries sooner, once in 10 years, versus later, once in 30 years. So that's the picture of success. So going back to assessments, given the program, what do we feel about the chance of success? In order to answer this question, we'll play a little game. You can either choose to bet on the success of the intervention you're trying, or on this uncertain deal here, where you have a spinner. And I'll spin this wheel. The spinner will land either orange or blue. Now, depending on whether you pick the spinner or you pick to bet on the success of the intervention, if you win, you get $2 billion. There's no charge for playing this game, but you can play only once, and since the stake is so high, you'll want to think really carefully about this. So you have to decide, would you rather bet on this wheel with this much orange and this much blue, and you're betting on the spinner landing orange, or would you prefer to bet that the intervention we're looking at will succeed? Now suppose you say, I think I am more confident on the wheel landing orange than on the intervention succeeding. Okay, so we'll click on bet on wheel. What this did was it reduced the orange. So okay, now which one would you prefer? Well, I think this is too less. I think I would bet on the success of the intervention we were trying. Alright, we get more orange. What about now? I'd still bet on the intervention. What about now? Maybe I think I should bet on the wheel. Okay, what about now? I'm not sure anymore. I could go either way. Well, at this point, you press the indifferent button, and this tells us that what we really believe about the chance of success of our intervention is 40.6%. We go to the model, we find that the chance of success has been updated, and if we press evaluate, we will see the value of the intervention for this probability. So that concludes this video on how to make assessments using the probability wheel for an uncertainty with 2 degrees. Thank you so much for watching.